Good day guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change time zone on Facebook. So guys, changing of the time zone is actually tied to your ad settings on Facebook. So even for example, if I type in Facebook change time zone, as you can see how to change time zone for your ad account. So now you see the proof. But in general, how to change this. Only type in Meta Business Suite on Google and go to the first page, and also make sure that you have your business page set up as well, which is very simple too. After that guys, when you're dropped into your homepage of the Meta Business, go to the settings. After that, scroll down and go to ad account settings. Right, and in here, as you can see, we'll have the settings. So you need to go to your payment settings, and in here, under any of these tabs, they kind of changed the interface lately. You will have a setting to change your time zone. So as you can see, it's going to be under the accounts. As you can see, I have my address set as Ukraine and currency is US dollars. But for me, the time zone change is not available because I don't have a functioning ad account. In your case, if you're working on Facebook, if your ads are up and running and functioning as intended, you will have a small button here to change your time zone. So you will be able to change your city, your country, and of course the currency. So you can basically tie your currency to a specific country. That's basically what this is for. So pretty much just follow my steps, just as so, and you will find it in here. Enjoy guys, press like on the video if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, and of course subscribe. See you soon.